We're on a nature walk today. Starting off in the city of Culver City, downtown Culver City, basically. But we're in the hills. It's a cool spot. It's the Baldwin Hills area. Doing some exploring. So we got a garden over here. People are doing yoga right over there right now, so we're trying to be quiet. Check out the helicopter coming in. Have a cool garden like this in your yard, that's tight. LAPD. So we're gonna go on our little Park to Playa trail, Blair Hills Connector Trail. This is crazy what over here used to look like. Well, everywhere was like that. There was lots of oil wells, and they were pumping. It's crazy what everything used to look like that on the beach. Imagine if that was like that now, we would all be dead. Yeah, Park to Playa Trail. We're gonna cross this bridge right over here. Okay, let's go this way. So we gotta be quiet right now because there's people doing yoga. We're just gonna continue this exploration for the moment. Some great artwork here too. Alright, we're gonna continue going that way. We're gonna end up over there. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Mauricio Media Los Angeles.